All right, welcome back to OBS Metal Dash. Man, I'm telling you what, we have got a video for you today. This is dash number 1. This is the first dash I built about roughly a year and a half ago, and he just got his truck finished. I got it away here, you can see it looks really slick. He did a beautiful job on this thing. It is done from head to toe. It looks like it's about 99% finished. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do a little video walk around of this whole truck and check out this lovely dash and how it turned out. All right, we're back. Let's have a walk around the truck here. What's the name of that blue color?
Oh boy, you put me on the spot. I'm gonna have to look it up.
Okay, well, the light blue and the white has a nice contrast to it. Real nice contrast to it.
Yeah. So originally we were looking at the blue, and I thought it was going to be a little bit too much doing just a straight blue. So I started talking about doing the two-tone, and boy, I'll tell you what, if I'd have known how much work that two-tone was going to be, I might have just stuck with a solid color like a gray or something like that. But I'm really happy with how it turned out. Tropical turquoise is the color.
Tropical turquoise is that blue. Boy, that is pretty. That is really pretty. Oh yeah. Now this looks good too, because he done this in the color instead of in black, where the inside of the bed is done black, and this is done in match. It looks really good like that.
So we really knew we wanted to do the Raptor liner in the bed, but I didn't want to take the black Raptor liner over the edge.
Right.
So we went ahead and got the tintable Raptor liner. So that's the tropical turquoise paint added to the Raptor liner and sprayed on the top rail. So it blends a little bit better.
That back bumper looks good.
Yeah, they're awesome. I love having the painted bumpers, even though that was a work truck thing. I love having the paint match bumpers, even though a lot of guys love the chrome. I like having the paint match.
Yep, I do too. I got 2 or 3 of those bumpers I'm kind of saving for something or another. Well, let's see what we got here with this dashboard. This is dash number 1.
So when we originally looked at doing the dash, we were going to go ahead and carry the tropical turquoise in and paint the whole dash that color. But again, we thought it was going to be a little bit too much painting the whole dash. I'm actually glad I did, because there's a small glare with the lighter color on the cluster bezel. And so with the black and the tropical turquoise, it really just kind of gives us a nice contrast inside the interior.
All right, we're here on the passenger side and get a better glimpse of this dash here. Oh yeah, this looks really good. He put the Raptor liner on the top, so it keeps the glare from hitting you in the windshield there. And oh, beautiful paint up front. Glove box door still works real nice. Yeah. This will be the last dash this truck will ever need. You will never have to buy another dashboard. 18 gauge steel, fits like it's stock. Looks really good in there. Remember to like, share, subscribe,